So hefyd, dyn ni'n mynd i sesiwn cerdded am 30 minutes. So today's session is going to be 30 minutes of just a walking, okay? Can't go outside, horrible weather, no excuses, you can still move indoors. Okay, so all you need is a bit of space, have some water, put your favourite tunes on, and off we go. So we start off with a march. So make sure we've got a right core. So we'll be using all our bodies today. So we're just warming up, so just side steps. So hope you're all keeping safe and well, staying at home. Okay, back to march. Okay, we're going to walk and kick. So making sure we're warming up the muscles. Okay, 3, 2, 1, back to march. So at any point today, if you're feeling a bit tired, come back to this march position. Okay, so we're going to lift our knees, let's go. So here we need to think tall, so keeping our shoulders nice and square, core tight. And back to march. Okay, so we're not going to be standing still in one position, so let's move back and forth. So 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So we're now starting to use all our bodies. Okay, last one. Back to march. Okay, so this time side steps. Use your arms as well if you want. You can go up high. Make sure you tuck your tummy back. Okay, and back to march. Remember, any point today as well, if you've got a nice playlist for me to listen to, please send it in, okay? I'm always keen to listen to more music. Right, okay, so side steps out, okay? So you go a little bit lower. Nice, okay, and back to middle. Okay, this time we're just going to bounce from one leg to another. Then automatic from here, you can move your arms as well. If not, you can keep them in the middle, that's fine. Okay, I'm back to march, well done. So now it's time to raise our heart rate. Okay, let's speed up a little bit. Use our arms as well. walk, 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 walk. Okay, so you're going to take 2 steps to the side. You can do the clap as well. Well done. Keep moving. So there's a nice lateral movement, so we don't tend to use this one very much, so it's good to use all our muscles. Okay, and back to the middle, hands up in the air. Push that ceiling, push, push, push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go, march out. Okay, now we're going to go high knees. So ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go, high knees. So from here, automatically my arms want to rotate a little bit. So always good, okay? So now we're working our core as well. My obliques as well, side muscles. They're getting engaged. Last 3, 2, 1, back to march. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's go out wider. We're gonna go kick backs, okay? So kick behind. So bend your knees slightly. So you're light on your feet. So kick back, back, back. Okay, last 3, 2, 1, and march again. So remember, still breathe. So this position is a good chance to get your breathing sorted. Deep breath in. And exhale out through the mouth. Okay, let's reach up. Push that ceiling. Three, 2, 1, and march. Okay, so we're going to kick forward, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hands on hips if you want. No, use your arms. So stay strong. Keep your tummy tucked in. Kicking out, power kicks. Last 3, 2, 1, and march. Using those arms. We're gonna go forwards and backs. Ready? 2 steps forwards and go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Add the clap if you want as well. Last 2. And march. Okay, let's go wide again. Kick backs in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pull it in as well if you want, use them arms. Last 3, 2, 1, and march. Okay, so next step we're going to do skaters. So we're going to start off side by side. And when you get more confident, step behind. Your arms will naturally move to get you balanced. Okay, keep going. Tap, tap, tap. That's 3, 2, 1, and match it out. Okay, next we're going to high knees. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so from here we'll advance and do 2 knee kicks. So we're bringing our arms up. Last one. And match it out. Okay, let's reach up. Push, push, push. And push forwards. And back to match in the middle. Okay, next step we're going to do step forward, back to the middle, step back. So step and tap, step and tap, step and tap. So don't worry if you get the steps wrong, as long as you keep moving, that's okay. You can bounce to the beat as well. Bring that clap in. Okay, last couple. Last one, and match. Lie on pow. Okay, let's go back to back kicks. So open legs, and kick back. You don't want to use the arms, just put them on your hip as well. Okay, that's for you. And back to march. We're going to go kick up front. In 3, 2, 1. So kick and reach. So remember, everything tight here. Tight tummy. Really push your arms out. That's 3, 2, 1, and match again. Let's use the arms. We're going to go side steps again. Stay a bit lower this time. So in 4, it's going to turn into a skater move, okay? So step behind. In 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. There's a bit of rotation as well. My arms want to follow my legs. Last couple. 3, 2, 1, and match again. Okay, this time you're gonna go arms up, arms out, arms down. last one. And march again. Well done. Remember, keep power walking. We're going to go high knees. Let's go. And we'll switch, so we've got doubles. Reach up. Last couple. And match it out. Well done. Do high knees again. And march. Okay, let's move forwards and backwards. Bring the clock in if you want. Okay, back to the middle. We're going to go 2 to the side. So 1 step, 2 step. Okay, come and put it together. So we go forward 2, back 2, side 2, side 2. Let's go. Double, back 2, side 2, head side. Good job. Forwards, back, side, side. Okay. Back to the middle. Use them arms, okay? Pump up. Okay, so we're going to go tap, tap, double. 1, 2, double, double. 1, 2. For 2 steps, 2 taps. Tap, tap, and back to march. Okay, let's go side to side. And push forwards. So 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going side to side. Longer strides. And we're going heel steps forward, okay? So from this, kick forward. You rotate your arms, same time as you're kicking. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We're going back to march. Well done. Okay, so this time we're going forwards, 2, step back 2, we're going to the corner. The other corner, back to the middle. Diagonal, middle, diagonal again, straight ahead. Bring that clap in, corner, back we go, next corner. Okay, one more. Corner, corner, down the middle, and back we go, march, and push. Okay, keep going. March it out. Soon using them arms. Keeping my core tight at all times. Okay, this time you're going to pick it up speed slightly. We're going to go run, step forward, run. 2 or 3, running on the spot, step forward. Alternate our legs. Okay, I'm back to walk. Okay, next step, front kicks. Okay, raise those legs. Okay, reach out in front of you. Big, strong forward kicks. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and walk. You're going to go forward and back. So ready? Forward, back, diagonal, diagonal, forward, diagonal, and forwards, and down, corner, and corner, and down the middle, and side. Down the middle, and corner. Down the middle, and march. Open wide, and heel kicks. Reach up all the way to the top. Extend your fingertips. Okay, and bring it down. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and march. Okay, let's go to the side. So do the grapevine. So behind and clap. So you like crosses behind. So we need to be light on our feet. bounce as well in the end if you feel it. Okay, 2 more. Okay, I'm back to the middle. March it out. Reach up. And out front. Push. Okay, next up, steps to the side. Once you're feeling confident, add the punch too. So keep going. Last 3, 2, 1, I'm back to march. Well done. Okay, we're going to go back to side steps. Add a little bounce this time. Last 3, 2, 1, and march. Well done. Get those arms up. Push. And keep those feet walking. And back to march. Okay, side steps. Okay, kick in front. Good job everyone, keep going. That's 4, 3, 2, 1, and step. Back to march. Using our arms, okay? Power walk. Not long left now. Doing great. Okay, ready? With knees, let's go. Okay, let's do slow it down a little bit, cool down. And normal walk. Okay, easy side steps. Make sure you're breathing in and out. So we always cool down after a session, so our body starts to recover. We get our heart rates to slow down. let me know what you thought of that session. There's loads more different sessions on the Wellbeing Hub, on your AirDRAC. It's also on the group portal. So yeah, loads of free resources, information. We've also got a Strava group as well, so if you are finding gaps in this horrendous weather to go out, enjoy some fresh air, please do so, or just put some waterproofs on, get out there. Yeah? Clock, take photos, get in touch with nature, but make sure you keep moving, okay? So a healthy mind, healthy body, happy human, right? And I look forward to seeing you all when you come back on campus soon. So until next week, see you later.